Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Hare Krishna. Good morning, everyone. So, we'll start with short prayers. Om Ajnanatimirandharasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. One time, one time, a disciple approached a guru and he asked him that, my dear teacher, my dear guru, every day I try to become more determined in my spiritual practice. I don't know why I always keep failing. And I'm not able to get that resolute determination and intelligence in the practice of spiritual life. So the disciple said to Guru, why is it, Guru Maharaj, that Maya or the illusory potency is holding me so tightly and not leaving me? To this, the Guru said, oh, you mean to say that Maya is holding you and not leaving you? And the disciple said, yes, exactly. I want to get out of the clutches, but Maya doesn't allow me to go out. And the Guru, after hearing this answer from the disciple, started running away from his ashram into the jungle, into the forest. And this disciple was thinking, why, what did I do that Guru Maharaj is running away from me? And he started running after his Guru. So the Guru was running very fast and disciple was running very fast behind him. And the Guru entered into the jungle, into the forest. And there was a huge tree in the forest. The Guru went and held that tree very tightly. And after he held that tree very tightly, he was shouting loudly, oh wicked tree, leave me, chhod do mujhe, oh wicked tree, leave me. And the disciple came from behind to the Guru and asked the Guru that, my dear teacher, what are you saying? It is you who is holding the tree, not the tree which is holding you. And the Guru immediately replied to the disciple, yes, the illusory potency Maya is not holding you. It is you who is holding Maya. He said that just like if you have something in your hand and if you want to hold a diamond in your hand, and but currently you have some kuch some grams of coal in your hand. The way to grab diamond is to give up that coal and hold the diamond. But the problem is you are not ready to give up the coal. So in the Gita, there's a beautiful shloka where Krishna explains this. He says, why doesn't resolute intelligence and determination come? He says, Bhogaishwarya prasaktanam taya aprahita chetasam vyavasayatmika buddhi samadhavna vidhiyate. Bhogaishwarya prasaktanam taya aprahita chetasam vyavasayatmika buddhi samadhavna vidhiyate. Krishna says, for a person who is attached to bhoga, to enjoy himself, and aishwarya, to opulences of this world, one who is prasakta, one who is deeply attached to these two things. Bhoga is represented by attraction to opposite sex, and Aishwarya is represented by money. So, money and opposite sex, when a person is attached to these two things, Taya aprahita chetasam, our chetana, our consciousness, उसका अपहरण हो जाता है, अप्रहित चेतसाम. So our intelligence and our consciousness is completely kidnapped. Vyavasayatmika buddhi, pinpointed focus and attention. Vyavasayatmika buddhi, business like professionalism in our spiritual practice. Samadho na vidhiyate, that kind of pinpointed attention and focus does not come because of attachment to bhoga and aishwarya, because we are not willing to give up maya. So when we actually chant the holy names, so holy names have the great power to cleanse our heart of attraction to anything other than Krishna, anything material. So material attractions and attachments, what we possess, they are like paramours. They are like a wife who has a husband but is attracted to someone other than the husband, who is called paramour. Similarly, all of us belong to Krishna, but instead of being attracted and attached to Krishna, the conditioned soul gets attracted to the lusty propensities and Aishwarya of this world. And that is the reason why we are unable to serve the husband, Krishna, so faithfully. And the holy name actually erases the attachment to paramours. So let's come together and chant the holy name. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare